Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfrid College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Manuel. Now in this lecture, we will solve the adjustments of See, what is the first adjustment? Goodwill of rupees 90,000 was brought into the books of account. So, first effect, partners capital account credit side by goodwill distribute between these three partners. 90,000 distribute between these three partners equally, means 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. And second effect, asset side, goodwill. Second effect, asset side, goodwill. How much? 90,000. Clear? First effect, partners capital account credit side by goodwill, and second effect, balance sheet asset side. Now, next adjustment. Furniture worth rupees 20,000 were purchased on 31st March 2013, but the invoice was not recorded in the books. So first, furniture purchase. So furniture comes in a business. So furniture, write down asset side, furniture. Inner column. Why? Because on furniture adjustment is given. Furniture purchase of rupees 20,000. Okay. But leave one line after that for the adjustment, but not recorded in a book. So record in a creditors, add purchase of furniture. Add purchase of furniture. Add purchase of furniture 20,000. Then in outer column, how much? 96,500. Clear? First effect, furniture purchase. So furniture asset side 20,000. Second effect, adding creditors, purchase of furniture 20,000. In outer column, 96,500. Now, next adjustment. Next adjustment is balance of A's account. After closing the balance, after making the adjustments, close the A's account and transfer its balance to the loan account and calculate the interest on loan account. This adjustment we will do later. Next is closing stock. Closing stock was valued at rupees 42,000. So first effect of closing stock, trading account, credit side by closing stock. By closing stock. How much the amount of closing stock? Closing stock 42,000. Write down 42,000. And second effect on an asset side. So second effect, write down on an asset side. Closing stock amount. How much the amount? 42,000. 42,000. Clear? First effect, trading account credit side, and second effect, asset side. Okay, finish. Now, next adjustment. Next adjustment, depreciate machinery by 10%. Calculate the depre on machinery 10%. Less depreciation at 10%. 10% depreciation on machinery means 3,600. In outer column, 36,000 minus 3,600. It means 32,400. Right? And second effect, P&L account debit side to depreciation on furniture, to depreciation on machinery, how much? 3,600. Clear? 10% depreciation on machinery, less from machinery 3,600, and second effect, P&L account debit side to depreciation on machinery 3,600. Next adjustment, premises by 5%. Calculate depreciation on premises 5%. Less depre less depreciation at 5%. At how much? 5%. So 5% depre on premises means 2,500. It means in outer column 50,000 minus 2,000. 50,000 minus 2,500. It means outer column 47,500. Second effect, P&L account debit side to depreciation on premises. To depreciation on premises. How much? 2,500. Now, next depreciation. Next is depreciation on furniture 5%. Now see, when the furniture was purchased? 31st March. So, depreciation should calculate from April. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 9 months. So, do the working note. Working note number first. Working note number first. Calculation of depre on furniture. See the depreciation on furniture. See the amount of furniture. How much the amount of furniture? 20,000, right? We purchase a furniture of rupees 20,000. So amount of depreciation is 20,000 into how many percent of depreciation? 5%. So 5% into how many months? Furniture we are purchased from on 31st March. So depreciation calculate from April. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, means 9 months. So calculate the amount. 20,000 into 5% into 5% into 9 months. Into 9 months. It means 750. 750 rupees depreciation. Clear? Depre on furniture is how much? Depre on furniture 750. Clear? First working note. How to calculate the depre on furniture? Now, less depreciation at 5%. Means how much? 750. Means in outer column 20,000 minus 750. It means 19,250. And second effect, P&L account debit side to depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture 750. Clear? Now, next adjustment, provide the interest on capital. So, see the amount of capital. How much the amount of capital? 30, 30, 30. Provide 10% depreciation. It means buy interest on capital. 10% depre means 3,000 and 3,000. Second effect, profit and loss appropriation account debit side to interest on capital. To interest on capital A, B and C. How much the amount? 3,000 and C. How to calculate the interest on depreciation? Interest on C. Who is retired from the business? C. Who is retired from the business? A is retired from the business. So interest is calculated only for the 6 month. So interest should calculate on A is only for the 6 month. That is 1,500. Clear? How to calculate the interest? A only 6 months in the business. So 30,000 into 10% into 6 months means 1,500. B whole time in the business. So 30,000 into 10%, 3,000. C is also whole time in the business. So 30,000 into 3,000. So 30,000 into 10%. So debris on A 1,500. Debris on B 1,500. And next column also 1,500. And debris of interest on C 1,500, also 1,500. Clear how to calculate? Because only before 6 months A was in the business. So 30,000 into 10% into 6 months. So interest on A's capital is 1,500. Interest on B's capital is 3,000, and distribute this amount equally. Interest on C's capital is 3,000. Distribute this amount equally. Clear? Now, who is retired from the business? A is retired from the business. First, close the trading account. Now, see how to close the accounts carefully. Close the trading account first. Do the total of trading account. How much is total of trading account? 3,33,600. 3,33,600. To net profit, sorry, to gross profit. To gross profit carried down. To gross profit carried down 1,51,100. So brought down in the next year by gross profit. By gross profit brought down. Now 1,51,100 distribute equally, means 75,550. 75,550. Okay. Now close only. Now see, close only column of January before 6 months. Close the column of before 6 months first. Close the column of before 6 months plus first, means 75,550 minus all this amount, means to net profit. To net profit. To net profit 46,075. Clear? How to close? Only close the column of January to June. Why? Because after retirement of partner, interest will be charged on his loan amount. So loan amount will come here. So first close only column of January to June. Don't close the next column. So next is by net profit brought down. Net profit brought down before 6 months. How much? 46,075. Now close here also. Only close the first column. Only close the first column. Only close the first column. 46,075. 46,075. To net profit. To net profit transfer to capital account. To net profit transfer to capital account. To net profit transfer to capital account. Then see how much the net profit. 46,075. Now distribute this net profit between 3 partners equally. Means 13,858. 13,858. And ones give 13,859. So distribute the amount of profit between 3 partners equally. Now this balance write down in a capital account. By net profit. By net profit. How much? 13,858, 13,858, 13,859. Now, who is retired from the business? A is retired from the business. So close only column of A. So close only column of A. So close the column of A. 75,000. Total is 75,358. 75,358. And difference transfer to his loan account means to A's loan account. To A's loan account. How much the balance? 63,358. 60,358. Clear? Now this loan write to the liability side. This loan account write to the liability side. A's loan. Write in inner column 63,358. 358. Clear? Write in inner column and leave one line. Clear? How to close? What we do here? We close first trading account. Clear? Then gross profit we distribute between two columns equally. Then we close only first column, that is January to June, where all three partners are present. We close only first column and find out the net profit. Then we close the profit and loss appropriation account. Also here also only first column, close the first column and distribute the profit between three partners. Now this net profit is transferred to the capital account. Now close only column of A because A is retired from the business. Then whatever difference will come, transfer to A's loan account and A's loan transfer to the balance sheet, liability side. Okay. Now do this adjustment. Balance of A's account after making all the adjustment to transfer to his loan account. Yes, we transfer the balance to the loan account. Now calculate the interest 16% on these. Plus interest at 16%. Now calculate the interest 16%. Now calculate the interest 16% on this. Means 5,069 is the interest. And in outer column 68,427. Now interest on loan, second effect, profit and loss account, debit side to interest on loan, amount write down in the outer column, means second column, because first column we already close. 5,069. Now close the second column. Total of second column is 75,550. 75,550. Now net profit. Net profit of second column is, how much the net profit of second column? 40,756. 40,756. Now this net profit is transferred to the appropriation account. Now this net profit is transferred to the appropriation account. 40,756. 40,756. Total is also same. 40,756. 40,756. Now, whatever difference, distribute between B and C. Difference distribute between B and C. 18,878. 18,878. Clear? Now, this net profit transfer to the partners capital account by net profit B 18,000 B 18,878. 18,878. Now do the total of B. How much is total of B? 95,736. 95,736. And difference transfer to balance carried down. Balance carried down. Balance carried down. How much the balance carried down? 83,736. Now close the column of C. Total of C is 95,737. 95,737. And difference transfer to balance carried down, that is 83,737. 83,737. Now this carried down transfer to the loan account. Transfer to loan account, sorry, liability side, capital account. Capital account B and C. How much the balance of B? How much the balance of B? 83,736 and C 83,737. And total in outer column. Total in outer column 1,67,473. Now tally the balance sheet. Now tally the balance sheet. The total of balance sheet. And total of balance sheet is 3,61,100. 3,61,100. Clear? How to solve the problem? First, we close the trading account. Difference distributed between these two. Then we close only first column. Why? Because here we need to find out the interest on loan. So we close only first column. Then we close the appropriation account of first column of appropriation account. Then we close 8th account and balance transfer to loan. This loan transfer to the liability side. See here, this loan is transferred to the liability side. Now calculate the interest on loan. The second effect of loan, P&L account debit side, second column. P&L account, second column. Now close the second column of profit and loss account. Same, close the second column of appropriation account. Then that balance transfer to the capital account. Now close the balance of B and C, balance transfer to carried down. This balance transfer to the liability side, capital B and C. And now close the balance sheet. Then your balance sheet will tally. Clear? How to solve the problem? When interest calculate on a partner's loan account is given. Clear? This adjustment is very important. So first, always, if you tell to calculate the interest on loan account, then first close the first column and then calculate interest on loan. Clear? And second effect of interest loan is given to the P&L account debit side, but in the next column. Okay. I hope all of you will understood this video very well. Thank you.